Hey everyone, it's Carrie over at DoubleClick. Welcome back to my craft room. Today I'm doing a VR for two ongoing challenges. Both of their channels will be listed down below. The first one, the host is Erin over at Coop's Place. She is hosting a Road to 200 Subscribers challenge. She is requesting an ATC as well as a Crafter's Choice item. Your project must be sent in by October 31st, 2025. This is the card that I'm sending her way, and it is flat mail. On the inside, I am sending her an ATC card. I do have my information on the back. For my Crafter's Choice, I used my Cricut and cut out these super cute pumpkins. I'm also sending her the Halloween 2024 collection. It is the black, orange, purple, and green. And that is my entry for Erin. Her channel will be linked down below so you can check out all the details. My next VR is for Tony over at Craft Purge. Her channel will also be listed down below. She is hosting a Halloween challenge. She is requesting 3 Halloween paper pierce die cuts. Her requirements are that it has to be in a plain white envelope with 1 sheet of paper, and she doesn't want to receive anything extras. You can check out her video for all of the details. It must be mailed by October 7th. These are the die cuts that I made for her challenge. The first one is this spooky candle, and I have my 3 layers. This is from a Temu die. The next one is this candy corn. This also is for Temu. I also have the 3 layers on this one. And the last one is this pumpkin. And this is from a Sizzix die. I have the background, the face, the leaf, and the gold stem. This is the flat piece of paper that I'm going to be sending her entry in. I thank you guys so much for stopping by, and have a spooky day. Bye, guys.